Hi everyone, back again with another video, text to video, and this is brilliant. It's free and it's so beautiful, as you can see. This is la crème de la crème. You have to check it out and do your own creations. Simple prompts and extremely beautiful. So far, no limits, no credits. You can use it as you want as of this video. So you need to check it out. Let's see how you can do this. Let's go. This is Haiper.ai, link will be in the description, no worries. You can get inspired by the many creations you have. You can copy the prompt and try your own video, or you can do your own. So let's start with our own. Let's write the prompt and just wait for the magic. You have to wait just a little bit, okay? But it's free, and its quality is wonderful. So if you like the video, do like, subscribe and hit that notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best free tools for you and your projects. So thank you so much for watching. Bye bye for now.